Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into something truly exciting for all space enthusiasts, LEGO lovers, and future engineers. We are going to review the LEGO Technic Mars Crew Exploration Rover, 42180. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to grab yours at the best price today. As soon as you open the box, you're greeted with a massive selection of high-quality LEGO Technic pieces that bring a real mechanical feel to the set. Inside, you'll find multiple bags of LEGO pieces, instruction booklets, and some cool stickers to enhance the look of your Mars rover. The build consists of over 1,500 pieces, making it a challenging yet rewarding project. What immediately stands out is the attention to detail. LEGO has meticulously designed this set to reflect a realistic Mars exploration vehicle. From all-terrain wheels to a functioning suspension system, everything screams authenticity. If you're a space lover, you'll immediately appreciate the effort LEGO has put into making this set feel like a true space exploration experience. The building experience. One of the most enjoyable aspects of this LEGO set is the intricate and realistic building process. It is designed to challenge young minds and even keep adult builders engaged. As you put together the Mars Crew Exploration Rover, you'll notice how functional the design is. The wheels have independent suspension, and the robotic arm at the front actually moves, adding a great interactive element. The detailed cockpit and storage compartments are another highlight. The fact that LEGO went above and beyond to add a realistic rover interior makes this a fantastic educational tool as well. Kids and adults alike can learn about how real Mars rovers work while having fun building this masterpiece. Cool features and functions. This Mars Crew Exploration Rover is more than just a display piece, it's packed with functional elements that bring it to life. Here are some standout features. 6-wheel all-terrain suspension. This rover is built to mimic real Mars rovers, featuring a robust suspension system that allows it to traverse rough terrains. Functional robotic arm. The articulated robotic arm at the front can be moved and adjusted, making it great for simulating Mars exploration missions. Detailed cockpit. The cockpit features seats, controls, and a dashboard, making it feel incredibly authentic. Solar panels and antennas. The set includes adjustable solar panels and antennas that add a great touch to the realism of the rover. Storage bay for equipment. Just like a real NASA rover, this one includes a storage compartment where astronauts can keep their tools. Who is this set for? This is an excellent set for multiple types of LEGO enthusiasts. Whether you are a space lover, an aspiring engineer, or simply someone who enjoys detailed LEGO builds, this set has something for everyone. Since it's part of the Technic line, it's a bit more challenging than standard LEGO sets, making it perfect for kids 10+ and even adults who enjoy intricate builds. It's also a fantastic STEM educational tool. The moving parts and technical build process allow kids to learn about engineering principles, physics, and space exploration in an engaging and hands-on way. If you're a parent looking for a gift that combines fun and education, this is a top-tier option. Pros and cons. Pros. White check mark, high level of detail and realism. White check mark, fun and engaging building experience. White check mark, functional robotic arm and 6-wheel suspension. White check mark, great for STEM learning. White check mark, ideal for display or play. White check mark, inspired by NASA's real Mars rovers. Cons. Cross mark, can be challenging for younger kids, though great for adults. Cross mark, some stickers might be tricky to apply. Final verdict, is it worth it? Absolutely. The LEGO Technic Mars Crew Exploration Rover, 42180, is a must-have for LEGO lovers and space enthusiasts alike. Its detailed design, functional features, and educational value make it an outstanding addition to any collection. Whether you're buying this for yourself, a child, or a LEGO fan in your life, it delivers an amazing building experience that is both fun and educational. If you're a fan of NASA, space missions, and intricate LEGO sets, this one is a no-brainer. It's not just a toy, it's a mini engineering marvel that lets you experience the excitement of space exploration right from your home. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your hands on the LEGO Technic Mars Crew Exploration Rover today at the best price. Rock it!